So there's some good news and not so good news. The good news is Jimmy's promo dropped some leaks of the Note 20 Ultra and it looks amazing. Yes, there's a camera bump, they want to make the device even thinner than the Note 10 Plus, but look at the amount of details here compared to the S20 Ultra. Looking at the S20 Ultra after looking at the Note 20 Ultra makes me want to vomit. Oh, I didn't mean this, S20 Ultra, you're still beautiful. Seriously though, the Note 20 Ultra is better. No. Looks like the black option is still glossy. Last time, we heard the Mystic Bronze color is coming in a matte finish. Hopefully more colors will be matte, as I'm kinda tired of the slippery fingerprint magnet glossy finish. The S Pen looks about the same, but earlier we heard there were going to be some performance improvements, like lowering the response time, aka the delay, to only 9 milliseconds, matching the Apple Pencil. Current S Pens don't compete well against the Apple Pencil in terms of latency. We can see here the line drawn is lagging behind the tip of the S Pen, so it would be great to see it performing more like a real pen. The bezels have been further trimmed down, hole punch is a millimeter smaller than last year, and the curves are still here. S20 Ultra's display was less curved than usual. Which one do you like more? Also, the Note 20 Ultra looks boxier than usual, and I kinda like that. The power and volume buttons are back to the right side again, the S Pen and the speaker are moving to the left side of the charging port this time, probably because there isn't much space on the right side due to camera upgrades. So, the Note 20 Ultra is looking good, there's your good news. The bad news is actually about the little brother Note 20. I really hope this doesn't turn out to be true, but it's coming from the IceCat, so we'll talk about it real quick. He thinks the Note 20 Ultra is gonna be $100 cheaper than the S20 Ultra, which is meh, whatever at this point. But the regular Note 20 at $999? According to rumors, the display is flat, 1080p, and 60Hz. So basically a mid-tier Samsung display at this point for $999, the same as the regular S20? Yeah, we have the S Pen on the Note 20, but is this enough to make up for the mid-tier display on a Samsung flagship? I'm not really sure. It feels like Samsung is trying to push everyone to go for the Ultra. Or maybe the price prediction is inaccurate, or we'll actually get a good display on the regular Note 20. Let's not sweat much over this for now, and I'll update you if something else happens, so consider subscribing with notifications on. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.